Attention business owners. Starting an online business that makes you money has become super easy. Gone are the days when you had to learn all the technical stuff to create a sales funnel or set up an online product. Good news is, you are in the right place. We have done it all for you, and it's definitely top-notch. If you've been struggling with creating your own content, or you want to add a new product to your existing product line ASAP, there's no faster way than grabbing this ready-made PLR. If you're looking for something that will be making you money and making you profit each month, our product, Google Smart Ads Mastery PLR Bundle, is perfect for you. Introducing Google Smart Ads Mastery with PLR. This is a completely DIY bus in a box that gives you everything you need to own your online business ready to make you money quickly. You can sell it under your own name and keep 100% of the profits. No skill, no expertise, no update, no extra investment. Super newbie friendly. It is an in-demand product in an evergreen niche. Marketers will gladly spend their money on this. It's no secret that if you want to get more leads and sales, you're going to have to do some pay-per-click advertising. And with a whopping 63,000 searches done per second, Google is the place to do it. In fact, Google has 90.46% of the search engine market share worldwide. Google is offering $340 million in ad credits to small and mid-sized businesses with active Google Ad accounts as part of an $800 million coronavirus response package. Hence, more and more marketers are in need to learn about making money with Google Ads amidst this global pandemic. To get started, you can check out our comprehensive, up-to-date, and well-researched Google Smart Ads Mastery Training Guide. This guide will educate you on all you need to know to get started with Google Ads, along with the best hacks to create the most effective and profitable ads for businesses. So here's exactly what you're going to get in this. 1. Professionally written training guide. 2. Professional graphics. 3. Animated banners. 4. High-converting sales copy. 5. Mini sites. 6. Customer sales video. 7. Legal pages. 8. Social media graphics. 9. PDF graphics with PSD files. 10. And swipe emails. 11. Other selling material like mind maps, cheat sheet, and top resource report. We are providing you with a time-sensitive opportunity to get access to a quality product. It is a well-researched, top-notch package that will put money into your pockets. Money like this. All you need to do is buy this product, put your name on it, sell, and keep 100% of the profit. Remember, this has a value of more than $4,000 plus the pain involved in getting it done. But we are providing you a shortcut to the system and providing you a high-quality product that you can sell under your own name at a huge discount. Do not wait. It is a dime sale. The prices will go up. Take action now.